Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Tesla app vehicle sharing with family accounts step by step clearly. To begin, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Log into your Tesla account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and tap on the Vehicles tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the vehicle you want to share from your account. Look for the sharing option within the vehicle settings. Tap on Add Family Member to begin the sharing process. Enter the email address of the family member you wish to share access with. Choose the level of access you want to grant, such as full access or limited access. Review the access permissions to ensure they meet your needs. Next, tap on Send Invitation to send an email to your family member. Your family member will receive an email invitation to join. Instruct them to open the email and click on the provided link. They will then need to create or, after logging in, they should follow the prompts to accept the vehicle sharing invitation. Once accepted, the vehicle will appear in their Tesla app. Confirm that the shared vehicle is visible in both accounts. If needed, you can revoke access at any time through the sharing settings. This completes the vehicle sharing setup with your family account. You can now enjoy shared access to your Tesla vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.